Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Litecoin. Litecoin is again giving us another very nice buy the dip opportunity by forming another harmonic bullish reversal pattern. And when we had the previous drop from April 2021 to June 2021, Litecoin completed this harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 24th of June. And by the way, I'm also sharing different trading ideas here for my members. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, then you can find the link in the video's description I've shared. Now, first of all, let me show you this chart, then I'll show you the current move that Litecoin has completed on the weekly time frame. By the way, this pattern was completed on the 2-weekly time frame chart. And you can see at that time it was moving at $135. And our first target, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this cipher, was from $186 and goes to $286. And we also had a very nice support of 25 and 50 simple moving averages as well. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line turned bullish nicely, and we had a rally up to $295. That was more than 115% move, and the price line moved down again. Now, during this move, you can also observe that the price line has formed another harmonic pattern, and this time it has formed another harmonic bullish reversal cipher. And if we take a look at the current move, which I shared on 4th of December for my members at the Patreon, when the price line was just likely to enter the buying zone. It was just spiked in the buying zone and reversed back. And the buying zone is from $144 and goes to $103. Now, after the reversal, we can expect, as per the Fibonacci sequence of this move, the sell targets from $202 and goes to $263. We also have very strong support of the 200 weekly simple moving average below the buying zone. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line completely entered the buying zone. Right now, we are moving at the very end of the buying zone. Therefore, it can be a very low risk and high reward trading ideas because we have a stop loss below this buying zone, and the sell target can be up to $263. Right now, we are at $108. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then here on the live weekly time frame, we have a very strong support here at $103, or you can call it a $100 support. And below this support, the maximum stop loss, we can wait for up to this level where we have this $88 support, because previously this $88 has been working as a support and resistance at the several places. Like here, it has been working as a resistance after this breakdown, and here it has been working as a resistance. Here as a resistance, here for a while it worked as a support, here as a resistance, and here as a resistance. And after this breakout, this big breakout, now this level can work as a very strong support. You can see after this breakout, so far the price line did not test this $88 support level. It is only testing this support that is approximately at $100. So if this support will be broken down, then we can wait for up to this support, up to $88, and I don't think so that it will break it down. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.